Bump X ZENLY team app. So here is interesting social networking app built by ZENLY team. So ZENLY app was a top social mapping app. Then it was removed from the app store. It had like hundreds of millions of people using it. So it was precise, real-time, battery-friendly location sharing. See who your friends are with, their battery level, how long they've been somewhere, their exact address, their speed, and when they're on the go. Know when your friends are at home, work, or school. Hear what your friends are listening to right now. Save their songs to your own Apple Music or Spotify. Automatically build your own scratch map of everywhere you have been with your phone in your pocket. Compete with friends to uncover 100% of your local area. See all of the places where you spent the night and who was with you. Um, get the route to join your friends with Apple Maps, or call an Uber straight there. Share ATA. So a lot of features in this app. So this app is like super feature advanced. Then there is you can shake your phones to bump to let your friends know that you're hanging out. Turn your photos and videos into stickers to send whatever you want. Get notified when friends travel to other states or countries. Take time off the map at any time, but by enabling ghost mode. Add location widgets. Join your school. Also works with friends who don't have iPhones. Free app and lots of more coming. So this is built by like this AMO team, which built bunch of social media apps for Gen Z. So here's, for example, you can then just allow, and this is how it works for you. So this is the account you have. You have some notifications. You can see who joined your friend list. And then, yeah, you can see like the details of where your friends are, where you are located. So this is kind of like an Apple Maps map. Then in the bottom you have kind of friend suggestions which you can add in here. Then you can just tap to add friends. Then you can just send the invite. You can show the code. You can also add nearby friends by bumping, and then you can see some suggested friends. So this is kind of the app friends are which are around, and then then you just have this, and then so scratch map, and then you have your account. You can see number of views, who viewed you. Then you can just add more friends, and again app icons. The more friends you have, the more customizations you have. Personalization. You can see who your friends have access to. I mean, these are some other apps. It's a bit weird. And there is music. You can connect Spotify, connect Apple Music to here. Connect your music to be able to see what your friends are listening to. Then map styles, you can select standard or satellite. You can add ski slopes to your map. Then you can select units. So that's like a basic personalization. So that's just what you have in here. Then you can just go and search and try to add friends. You can share the link on Snapchat, on WhatsApp. And that's basically the idea, how it works. This app has a lot of like kind of hidden features which you can explore, and so you can change location to always, and then when you open the app, then there is a feature to scratch map. And then the more you're basically going into this app, the more you kind of scratching it. So the more you're taking your phone with you, you will kind of be scratching your map. And yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can see a friend map or scratch map. So this is the feature you will have in here. Then you have intros. And then there is some link which you can share. This is a different link. And then yeah, that's just, so yeah, kind of that's the idea of the app. I mean, it's still in the process of building. So that's the idea of it. So kind of interesting app.